Why is everything like this?
We were gone for a week. That's like 4 years on Earth. Do you guys hear that?
Let's follow it.
Yes, minions! Stop right there, Eggman! Sonic, it's been 4 years, so how you doing? Good, except I've been stuck in space for a week. The Earth is a wasteland and you're ruling it!
By the way, how'd you pull that off?
I had another stupid plan, but this time you guys were in there to stop me. By the way, do you remember your old friends? They, sort of hate you now. Who cares? We'll still defeat you. Oh yeah, also do you remember these? The Chaos Emeralds? But we haven't used those old things in years. Well, they're actually pretty handy. Use them, minions. Ready? Attack! What happened? You guys regenerated to your original form.
Then where's Sticks?
Well, you can't regenerate to an old form if you don't have one.
That's going too far.
Who cares? The important thing is that I won. That will be all for today. I can't let them win! Ah!
Sonic, what are you doing?
Just get the Chaos Emeralds! Here!
Here.
Here!
No, this is impossible! Ah! You guys ready?
Yeah!
Chaos control!
What happened?
Six! Well, it looks like we've saved the world once again. Sorry we've been ignoring you guys for so long. You were actually pretty cool back there. But it's time to move on.
Shouldn't we take Eggman to jail?
No, let's let the cops take care of it. So, what do you guys want to do now?
Let's go on an adventure!
Yeah!